Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and then tap Explore Wallet button. From the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, manage your passes and add new passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review of purchases, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.